we checked into a property in Coorg. This is called Ayatna Coorg, and it's a very beautiful resort. And the star element of this resort is a big waterfall that probably you can hear over my voice right now. So if you're driving from Bangalore, just be cognizant that you do not leave the highway for a shortcut, because I mean, there are some fallen trees on the way. You might need to go back and again catch the highway, so be mindful of that, especially if you're planning during monsoons. I booked this resort was it has a beautiful waterfall right inside, and I wanted to shoot a lot of videos around it. I'll probably attach a clip towards the end of this video. But yeah, so excited for the waterfall, and let me show you how it looks. This is the restaurant area. This is the outdoor space, and अंदर भी काफ़ी जगह है, but people are scrambling for tables here only because this comes with a waterfall view. After having all three meals here, I'm convinced that they do an exceptionally good job in blending Kodagu cuisine with continental dishes, and great options of North Indian and other South Indian dishes as well. Now this property has a lot to offer, especially if it's raining, right? There are a lot of indoor activities that you can do here. There's a full recreation room where you have all your indoor games. And one surprise game was air hockey. Yeah, they have an air hockey table. There's pool, there's TT, chess, Ludo, Carom. All of that is there. Apart from that, you also have a spa which offers like all your regular spa massages, body scrubs, etc. So that is something that you can do if you're probably stuck in heavy rainfall and you don't want to be like confined to your own room. We have the Ludo championship set up. Somebody's gonna lose today. So there's a lot of activities that you can do if it's not raining. There is an infinity pool, there's a kids area here, and they have a zip lining which is at a pretty amazing location. I mean, you take a zip line all the way across the waterfall over a river. So that is, I think, a unique experience to this resort. Finally, we're headed for zip lining. This is exciting. All across the waterfall. That's the zip lining spot. Let me zoom in. Right next to the waterfall. This is going to be exciting. That's the way to our room. That's the cottage. Pretty cute. So this is the living room. I love what they've done with the lamps here. Just take a look. That's the balcony there, but before we go there, I'll just walk you through the entire room. This is the storage. As you can see, lots of stuff already, but just ignore that. Then that's the washroom. Pretty cozy. Yeah, me again. One good thing that I liked is that they've given bath salts. Amazing. Can't wait. This is the bedroom. Simple interiors. That's the balcony from the bedroom. It's actually the same balcony that walks through the entire room. Let me show you the balcony. And one more thing, views are amazing. The property from outside is amazing. But just pointing out one thing, if you're somebody who's hypersensitive to smells, right, it might bother you because room se constantly wo moldy smell aa rahi hai, which I'm not a fan of. However, I mean, if you step out and you take a walk around most of the time and you're in like near the pool, I think it's manageable because the property is definitely worth it. That's a pool in my slippers क्योंकि उसकी waterfall में बह गई. तेरी स्लीपर्स कहाँ हैं? स्लीपर्स कहाँ हैं?
चले गई ना.
कहाँ चली गई? So it's time to say goodbye to this beautiful property. It has been an amazing stay in great weather. And this is a 110-acre property where cottages are built only on 20 acres and 90 acres is just green cover. So that's it guys, thanks for watching this video. If you plan a trip to this particular resort, make sure you plan it during the monsoon, ideally between July to October, for the best experience of the waterfall and the greenery around. And let me show you the shots that I've taken around the waterfall, especially from my Instagram page.